Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're on a quest to keep your carpets spotless and fresh, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best vacuums for carpets. Whether you're tackling thick plush carpets or stubborn pet hair, we've got you covered with options that combine power, performance, and value. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. If you want to know about the price and other information, let's jump right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. The Roomba 694 was very efficient at picking up hair, both pet and human, as well as cereal. Pet owners will be happy to know that pet hair didn't get tangled up in the brushes, though longer human hair did. Good news, it's easy to remove hair from the brush roller, and it's even easier to empty the dustbin. There aren't many features on this robot vac, but it does sync up via Wi-Fi to an app that makes it super easy to get rolling literally. The initial setup is done through the app, and we felt like an expert user after just a couple of cleanings. We were happily surprised to see how well it picked up sand too, even when it was embedded in the carpet pile. Where it struggled, and this is often the case with robot vacuums, is transitioning between bare floor and rug. It doesn't have mapping capabilities, so you'll have to block or guide it to avoid places you don't want it to go. Though it's good at maneuvering around chair legs and other large obstacles, be warned, it ate 2 socks and went right through pudding piles, our version of pet mishaps, which could be a problem if you decide to set up the vac to run while you're not at home. Still, for what the vacuum is supposed to pick up, it did very well and at a very reasonable price compared to other robot vacs. After using it for 6 months, we don't think it would necessarily suffice as your household's only vacuum, as you may still want an upright alternative for true deep cleaning. Even so, its consistent performance makes it a long-lasting investment. At number 4, we have the Shark ZU62 Navigator 0M Pet Pro Upright Vacuum. You may have noticed that there are a lot of pet-friendly vacuums on our list. That's because vacuums made with pets in mind typically have stronger suction, which is good for vacuuming carpets. In particular, we recommend this Shark vacuum, which cleans up cat food and dog hair very quickly from both hard floors and carpet. It was durable in testing and continued working up to our standards after 6 months of use. While it maintained its performance on carpet, it did scratch our hard vinyl floors. That said, we still recommend this pick for those living in a predominantly carpeted household. We found the extra-large dustbin easy to empty when there were larger or heavier pieces of debris, but dust and hair needed a little extra effort to clean out. It's also worth noting that this vacuum is fairly heavy if you attempt to use it with just one hand, so it may pose some difficulty navigating stairs. However, it is very efficient with its stair cleaning, so you won't mind the arm workout or having to take more time to wipe out the dustbin. Coming in at number 3, the Levoit VortexIQ 40 Cordless Stick Vacuum. This vacuum swiftly cleared all debris from various surfaces, removing hair well before the 1-minute mark in our testing. Cleaning hardwood surfaces, even the stairs, which are typically a hassle, was a breeze. We easily removed dirt and particles from edges, corners, and crevices, even without the attachments. Along with its strong performance on hardwood, it somehow performed even better on carpet. We successfully removed all the hair and debris without any stalling or clogging issues. The suction was actually so strong that we occasionally had trouble moving it along the carpeted surface. While the vacuum lacks a specific tool for hair removal, we found no need for one. It suctioned hair without dragging it along the floor or scattering it around. Only a few strands got caught in the brush roll, which was negligible considering how much hair we vacuumed. We found the noise level adequate on the lowest setting, though we did have to raise our voices when speaking over the vacuum on the highest mode. Transitioning between floor types posed no issues, but the square vacuum head occasionally got caught on chair legs, so we may have preferred a tapered design. The handle was also a bit awkward to hold, ending up near our armpits as we cleaned. Nevertheless, the swiveling feature facilitated easy corner navigation. We found it easy to maneuver into tight spaces and get right up against counters without leaving debris behind. Taking the number 2 spot is the Hoover MAXLife Pet Max Complete Vacuum. Pet owners love their fur babies, but not the piles of hair and dander they leave behind. That's why we love this vacuum, which cleared our upholstery of hair with one pass of the hose and a touch-up with the upholstery attachment. Unlike more complex models, this vacuum for pet hair was easy to use right out of the box. The assembly process was simple, and we love that all the attachments fit right on it for easy storage. Though it is lightweight, it did feel a bit bulky while in use, and it's not exactly ideal for lugging up the stairs. We found wrapping up the cord to be a bit unwieldy too. Still, a convenient lever changes the suction settings, allowing you to transition from carpet to hard floors with ease. You might have to take a second pass on the hard floor. We found it was necessary when vacuuming both kibble and hair, but it did eventually pick it up. We also appreciated the effortless process of pulling off and emptying the dustbin, though we would have liked it to snap back on a bit easier. For such a budget-friendly price, it's a great addition to your pet-friendly household. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Shark Rotator Professional Upright Vacuum. There's a lot to love about this vacuum. It cleaned up the debris from the carpet very quickly in our testing and transitioned seamlessly to hard surfaces. We particularly liked the design, which wasn't as bulky as other upright vacuums and included handy attachments. We found the setup easy thanks to clear instructions. In fact, unboxing it was the only thing that took long. The vacuum had impressive suction capabilities, and we appreciated that the suction power was easy to adjust. It's a bit top-heavy, but it maneuvered well on carpet, which is where it worked the best. During testing, its swivel head made it easy to turn around objects like chair and table legs, though it was still a bit too large to fit under furniture. On the other hand, it has a lift-away pod that detaches from the base, allowing you to easily reach areas above the floor. It also comes with a few useful attachments to clean every nook and cranny, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. Emptying the dustbin proved to be a clean and easy one-handed task, and the filter is easily accessible for cleaning or replacing. Other great features include LED headlights, which make it easy to see what you're vacuuming, and a HEPA filter to trap allergens so they aren't released back in the air while you vacuum. After using this for 6 months, we're shocked by how well it has held up. It's a fantastic pick if you're looking for something powerful, effective on a variety of surfaces, and easily adjustable in terms of suction power. And there you have it, the top 5 best vacuums for carpets. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.